Okay, so in my last video I did a bit of a rant on these. I didn't really explain exactly how to clean these and how to get the fix working. So what we'll do is now we'll turn this around and I'll show you exactly what I've done to fix the one side of the earphones not working. Alright, so here we have the earphones themselves. If you've tried everything, including removing the Bluetooth, resetting the app and all that, and it's not working, it's probably because the earphones themselves have a bit of foreign material here on the grill. So what I've done is, what you want to do is grab a bit of rubbing alcohol, so something similar to that. What you're going to want to do is just dab this a little bit in the ear pad. There we go. Just a tiny bit. You want to gently just clean this from any foreign material. This shouldn't do anything. First of all, these are water resistant, so this is all you got to do is clean this like that, so it shouldn't affect anything of the internals. Give it a bit of a clean. It's always good to clean them. And after that, you'll be able to see that once you put them back in the case, you go back to the app and you open the case and put them in your ear, you'll hear that the sound is actually coming through this left side. And it's as simple as that. All you got to do is make sure you clean it and dry it off a little bit. And there you go. It's a simple fix. Let me know if it worked for you. Thank you very much.